Do you ever feel like you're wasting your potential? Like you know you could do more, but your days don't look like the life you planned? Because at some point, you were sure things would turn out differently. You had plans, timelines you believed in. In 3 months, I'll get my life back on track. In 6 months, I'll finally be where I want to be. And in 1 year, my life will look completely different. Better skills, better discipline, better income, better control over your life. At least, that's what you told yourself. But when you look at your days, honestly, they don't look like those plans. Hours disappear into scrolling, into distractions, into habits you promised yourself you would stop. And the worst moment isn't failure. The worst moment is awareness. When you stop and ask yourself, what am I actually doing with my life? That moment can shake you. Because deep down you know something. You know you're capable of more. But slowly, something dangerous begins to happen. You stop fighting, not loudly, quietly. A thought begins settling in your mind. Maybe this just isn't for me. Maybe I'm not that disciplined. Maybe I already lost. And before you realize it, your plans get smaller. Your effort gets weaker. Your days start repeating themselves. And most people don't even notice when it happens. Life rarely falls apart in one big moment. It slowly drifts away, one comfortable day at a time. And the truth is, most people don't lose their potential. They just stop using it. But here's something important. You don't need a year to change direction. Sometimes you just need proof that you still can. Sometimes you just need a reset. Not a year, not 6 months, just 15 days. 15 days of living differently. 15 days of proving to yourself that you still have control. Here's how you start. First, give the next 15 days a clear goal. Not a vague dream, a real target. Ask yourself one simple question. What exactly will I accomplish in the next 15 days? When the time frame is short, reality becomes clear. You can't hide behind someday. Every day matters. Write your goal down. Put it somewhere you'll see it every morning. Let it stare back at you. Let it remind you. Second, give your life a purpose bigger than comfort. Right now, most people are controlled by their present self. Whatever feels good in the moment wins. Scrolling, avoiding work, choosing comfort over growth. But when you connect yourself to something bigger, a mission, a direction, a story you're building, your actions start to change. Now the work isn't just work. It becomes part of the person you're becoming. Third, strengthen your body, because your mind and body are connected. When your body becomes stronger, your mind follows. Start simple. Push-ups, squats, basic movement. You don't need perfection. You need consistency. And finally, practice self-control. Not forever, just for 15 days. Remove the habits that weaken you. Cut the unnecessary distractions. Cut the junk food. Cut the mindless consumption. For a short period, give your mind and body a clean environment. Because something powerful happens when you do. You begin to feel different, sharper, more focused, more alive. And once you experience that version of yourself, it becomes very hard to go back to the old one. Because now you know what you're capable of. So try it. Just 15 days. Not to prove anything to anyone, but to remind yourself who you can become. Save this. And remember, your strongest version isn't something you find. It's something you build. And if I don't ever see you again, I wish you the best.